Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So student, in this chapter we will discuss about process of accounting and basis of accounting. How we do accounts. We do account on two basis, cash basis and accrual basis. First I will clear you what is the process of accounting. Five steps are there: identification of transaction, preparation of vouchers, recording in books of original entry, ledger posting, preparation of trial balance and financial statement. So here we start. What is the meaning of each step of this process? So students, first is process of accounting means identification of transaction. How we identify our transaction? Okay, in this business, those transaction we gonna record which we will measure in terms of money. Okay, and evidence is must is here. Evidence means bill, or bill is known as document which provide us evidence that there is some business transaction is happened, means say business transaction take place, that means sales or purchase. Preparation of voucher, in second step, we if documents prepared, then we will do business transaction. Document prepared means bills, and after bills we will prepare voucher. Voucher means with the help of it we will entry in the account. Okay, preparation of voucher is the name is like a bill. Voucher is not a particular bill, but is for now you should consider it like a bill. Recording in books of originality, yes. First, after we will measure, first step with that we will measure that this entry we can gonna record or not, or it is in terms of money or not. This pen is of 10 rupees. I sold this pen of 10 rupees, and now and I have to record this entry because I can measure this pen in terms of money. Then bills or voucher we're gonna prepare. Third one is we will do books in original entry, means journal. Then after journal, ledger posting is there. What do you mean by ledger? Similar accounts were similar nature items was transferred to one account. Example: all sales entries we will do in sales account, all purchase entries we will do in purchase account, etc. Preparation of trial balance and financial statement. Trial balance is an account in which we will check total of all of debit side and credit side. Yes, all accounts are having two sides. Okay, trial balance, if both sides are same, debit credit total is same, then our all previous entries were correct. We are doing correct, or we are preparing our accounts correctly. Financial statements tells us that the our financial position of business, whether our business is progressive or not, how much assets we are having, how much property we are having, how much cash we are having, which statement tells us financial statement. So guys, this is the process of accounting. Okay, now we will gonna discuss about process of processes we discussed here. Now we will do on what basis we will perform our accounting. We perform it two basis, whether cash basis or accrual basis. In cash basis we will record those transactions on which cash is received. Okay, example: doctors, lawyers. Doctor will diagnose you only if you paid fees to him her. Lawyer will fight a case for you only when you paid fees him. That is known as cash basis. Okay, whether second, accrual basis means whether cash received or not, you have to do the transaction. Okay, in this only cash related items we record. In this, cash plus credit means udhar related item we gonna also record. All businessmen do accounting, prepare accounting on the basis of this method, because not in business we will not go for only cash, we will sale purchase on the basis of credit also. Okay, income, expenses. Income means kamai, expenses means kharche. We will record only when cash is there. Okay, in this cash as well credit, whether cash received or not, we have to record your income and expenses. Again I am repeating, income means kamai, what we are earning. Expenses means kharche, what we are spending. It is recognized not under companies act because it not worked according to the company rules. It is recognized as companies act because in this we will consider cash always as well as credit transaction also. Okay, so guys, this is the chapter number 4. Hope you like this topic and understand it very well. Thanks everyone.